What's up, guys? I'm Johnny. This is my wife Tanya.
Hello.
Welcome to the bunker. Well, today we have an Amazon versus Temu woodworking tool review video. In the past, we've done Temu tool reviews, but we never reviewed the Amazon tools that we compare them to. So this time we're gonna have comparable tools, 5 tools from each company, 5 from Amazon, 5 from Temu, and they are similar products from each company. We're gonna review each one because some of y'all had wanted us to also review the Amazon tools. So we're going to do that today. We're going to give each tool a win or bin, and then at the end we'll find out who comes out on top. So will it be Temu or will it be Amazon? We'll find out. Tanya will be showing you the tools from Amazon, and I'll be showing you the Temu tools. But first, before we begin, I want to announce the giveaway winner for our giveaway that we had in our last video. I had you all comment the word boo in the comment section for the last video, to like that video and subscribe to our channel. We used a random comment picker to choose a winner. Check out the clip right now. Okay, I'm going to use a random comment picker to choose the winner for our giveaway from our last video, which was the Halloween beginner woodworking project. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that winner now. All right, here we go. Nathan Talbert. Congratulations, Nathan. You're our giveaway winner. Congratulations to Nathan Talbert. You're the winner, Nathan. All you have to do now is just email us your address and we'll get your prizes out to you as soon as possible. All right, so let's get started.
The first tool will be the Silicone Glue Set.
Silicone Glue Set, okay. Tanya's going to show you the Amazon product.
Glue. So the Silicone Glue Set from Amazon comes in a little, it's called Silicone Glue Kit. It's red and black. Comes with a little tray, a squeegee, a 1/2 inch brush, and a 1 inch brush. It shows you the basics on how to use each tool. Okay, that's all for me. What about yours, babe?
All right, I got the Temu comparable product, also a silicone glue kit. It's got this long brush. It doesn't have the squeegee part like the one from Amazon. It's got the tray. It does have the spout as well, like the Amazon product. And this one only has the 1 inch brush and a flat, like a spatula tip right here. We're gonna show you how it works, or Tanya's gonna show you the Amazon one, and I'll show you the Temu one. We're gonna pour some glue in the tray and see how it works.
Since you're the gentleman, I'll let you give me some glue.
All right.
Okay. Since Johnny's doesn't have the squeegee part nor the 1/2 inch brush, I'm going to use the 1 inch brush, which he does have. So let's see how it spreads it out nice. Gets a decent amount of glue on it.
Yeah, that works good.
Yeah, sure does. Leaves nice little ridges in there.
All right, now let's try the Temu one. Put some glue in there using the 1 inch brush. Yeah, it works good. I mean, just like the Amazon one. Now we're just gonna let the glue dry in the trays just to see how easily the dried glue comes off of these trays.
And not only the tray, the brush.
And the brush. So before we decide if it's a win or a bin, we're gonna let the glue dry, and at the end of the video, we'll check it out.
The second tool that we will be reviewing is the steel ruler positioning block.
All right, what is that?
That's this. I really don't know what it is. I think mine personally is nicer than Johnny's because it has bigger knobs.
Yeah, this one's a lot smaller, guys. What this is for, you put a flat, thin steel ruler in here and you use it like an adjustable ruler. I don't have any thin, flat steel rulers. I only have this thicker ruler. What you do is you slip it in here, tighten the knobs, and then you can make marks on your workpiece at different, measurements that you need.
The Amazon price for this is $7.99 and the Temu price is $3.14.
Okay, that's a big difference. Okay, this is the Amazon version.
Sorry guys, since I didn't know how to use it, I let Johnny take over this one.
I'm gonna make sure it's straight. I'm gonna put it here on 4 inches and then tighten up the knobs right there.
Now what do we do?
Now you get your workpiece, and once you've adjusted it to the measurement that you want, you can just make your mark, or you can run it across like that. Or if you need a screw to be in like 4 inches from the edge, you mark it here, and then you slide it mark for another screw hole, and another one, and another one. So you have the same distance for each one. So you can adjust it to wherever you need it. So this is the Amazon positioning block.
Well, yeah, because it has the bigger knobs, guys.
Right. So let's see how the Temu one is. This one's a lot smaller. Like I said, it's ideal for a thin, flat ruler, not this thicker ruler. But it still works.
Putting it also on 4? Okay.
Yeah. Just do a mark like this. Yeah.
Why don't you try it on the other side and see if it's in the same spot as mine was? Over here, yeah. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, it works, guys. Just make sure this is straight. It's not very straight right now, right there, and then you tighten it up. It works good. I'm gonna give mine a win. What about you?
Mine's by far the win. It's much more convenient.
Why?
It's much more convenient for the fingers and the hands, especially for a man's hands. This is more for a woman's hands.
Okay, so you can use this one and I'll use that one.
Well.
Yeah, but no, I know what you mean. I see what you mean. But they both still work, guys. They're good products.
They both do work, but this one is a little more convenient because of the knobs being bigger.
And like I said, it's ideal when you use it with a thin, flat steel ruler, not this thick one right here. It still works, but okay, awesome.
The third product we have for you is the aluminum L-type measuring ruler. The one we got from Amazon is only 30 centimeters, whereas the one Johnny got from Temu is 45
centimeters. So I couldn't find the same length in both, but check it out, guys. It's the same packaging.
Front and back.
Yep. So it's coming from the same place, either from Amazon or Temu. They're getting it from the same vendors.
Yeah.
How much was that one?
Mine was $22.49.
Mine, which is 10 centimeters longer, was $6.29. Big price difference.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, let's find out and see what they're like. I've never used one of these before.
Oh, now I see why it's called L type. It forms a little L right here, guys. I had no idea why it was called L, but now I know.
Yep. See, and it's got this is like just a little holding lip right here, and it's got some rubber grip on the back. It won't move around on you as easy because of the grip, so it'll stay in place better, and so that you don't have to struggle with picking it up. If it's, you know, like thin flat rulers, you just grab it from the handle right here and pick it up. All right, let's see if the measurements line up. Check there on the
Yep. Goes to 30.
Yeah, and all the lines line up perfectly. All right, well, I guess we'll just make a few marks. You can't go wrong with these rulers. They're straight. Temu. I mean, yeah, they do the job. That's what they're for. So they are in metric, but I'm gonna give mine a win.
I'm gonna give mine a win too because it works.
Yeah, it works. It's just a ruler, guys.
The only difference is, well, the price.
Yeah, it's a big difference on the price. All the links to these tools are gonna be in the description. If you all prefer one company over the other, it's up to you.
Okay, so our third item are some digital calipers.
I got the least expensive set of calipers from Amazon, which was a Wen product. And the least expensive calipers from Temu were these. What were the prices?
Mine was $11.67 and Johnny's was $4.17.
So yeah, it's a pretty big difference. Temu's is half the price.
Mine comes in a case.
Right.
And upon opening the case, you get a little instruction manual. It as well came with the battery, which we already installed. You install it right here just in case you buy it.
They both have either metric or inches that you can set it to, whichever you need.
A 0 button.
A 0 button and the on and off button. So let's find out how accurate they are. We're gonna use these brass setup blocks to measure to see how accurate they are.
Now, I have a question.
Yeah.
in the real world, how do we use these in woodworking, babe? I have no idea.
You can use it to measure.
I mean, we're just not going to be measuring brass.
You can use it to measure small pieces of wood, a dowel.
But for what? Why would you want to measure a dowel?
To see how big it is, to know what size hole to drill.
Okay, all right, that makes sense.
If you have a dado, which is a groove in wood, you use this part right here. This is for depth. Let's say this is a groove right here.
Yeah,
Look.
I'm trying to find my dado. Oh, sorry.
No, the
Sorry,
dado
guys.
is the groove.
Oh, sorry, I'm trying to find my stick.
So let's say you want to measure this height right here.
Yeah.
You go like this till it hits.
Let's see if ours is the same. Wait. Okay.
Wait, first close it,
Oh,
zero it.
zero it.
Close it all the way.
Okay.
Zero
Yeah.
it.
Oh, goes up. Zero.
Okay.
Is yours in inches or in yours
Yeah,
is
mine's
in
in inches.
Okay. Mine is 2, right?
Yep.
Okay.
But yours is in fractions.
Oh, what is yours in? Okay.
There, zero it again.
Okay.
0.74.
0.75.
It's just a
Hair
very
off.
minor difference.
Alrighty. Just
Okay.
I was curious, guys, just so in case some of you all out there don't know, like I don't know.
So this also, these are for outside measurements, like this. Okay?
Okay.
If you want an inside measurement, let me show you.
Like the inside of the hole right here on this
Yeah.
what is it called?
Okay, for the inside, or like this, use this side.
Oh. Yours. Oh, okay. Mine do the same when I do that. Okay.
Like this.
All right. That's pretty. It's a pretty useful little tool. I see. I get it now. Okay. So in case any of you out there, like myself, don't know much about woodworking yet, now you know what a digital caliper is for.
Right. So let's check the accuracy, guys, on both.
So I'm going to get this little brass thingy.
It's a brass setup block.
A brass setup block, and it's 1/2 inch.
Yep, it's 1/2 inch.
Okay, I'm going to use my little caliper and I'm going to open it and I'm going to
Make sure.
pinch it in
make sure
between
it's nice
there.
and flat.
Hey,
Okay.
and
And
it's
it's 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch.
Try another one. Okay, we're gonna try a 3/8 setup block.
So I zero it first.
Yep.
And then I get my little block. And I'm going to go like this, guys. Let's see. Hey.
3/8.
3/8.
All right. One more. We'll try
One more.
3.
Let's try the 1/8,
We're
baby.
trying the 1/8.
Wow, I'm
And we're using the Amazon calipers by Wen.
gonna try the 1/8
Block.
block. Ready?
Okay. There you go. 1/8. All right, it works.
Awesome.
The Wen calipers are working good. So now we're gonna try the Temu calipers,
Turn them off.
which were about half the price or more than half the price. These calipers don't have fractions, so it's only inches and decimals and metric. So this is a 3/4 inch setup block, so this should read 0.75.
Very good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, I just want to mention, mine also does decimals, guys. I didn't mention that or try it. Sorry.
Now let's try 1/2 inch, which in decimals should be 0.5, 1/2 inch block.
Perfect.
Right there, 0.5.
Awesome.
Now one more. We'll use the quarter inch block, which should be 0.25. There it is. All right, guys, they're good. Both calipers work. Both of them are all plastic. So if you need an inexpensive set of calipers, these are accurate.
They're both
Pretty
accurate.
good.
However, please remember that mine does have fractions and decimals.
Right, and this one doesn't have fractions.
If that's something you're looking for, that's something to consider.
So I'm gonna give mine a win.
Mine's definitely
You're gonna give your win a win?
my win. My win is a win.
Awesome. All right.
Alright guys, the last tool we have is the aluminum 45-degree center finder tool.
They look
They look
very similar.
Although mine is bigger.
Yeah, Amazon's is bigger. I'm gonna use a dowel to see, to find the center, just to see how they work. Put your dowel right in this corner right here.
Okay.
Butt it up into the corner and up to the top. Make a mark. Spin it a little bit. You can spin it a few times. It doesn't matter where. And then right where all those lines meet or cross, that's the center.
All right, I got that. I can handle that. And then what do you do? Drill in there, or
you can drill in there, or whatever you're gonna do, or cut. If you want to cut it in half. So you're gonna do yours on this side. All right. So this is the Amazon center finder.
Remember, mine is longer. Mine also has some numbers here. Measurements. Whereas the Temu did not, guys. Just to let you know. It also has this hole. I'm not sure what the purpose is.
I'm not sure either.
But it has a hole. Wow.
Spin it a few times, yeah. Okay. All right, let's see.
There's
right on the center. Yeah,
neat little.
They both work, guys.
Definitely a neat little gadget to find the center of a dowel. I'm gonna give mine a win. So we're neck and neck. It's up to the Silicone Glue Kit to determine if I win or if you win.
I have a feeling it's gonna be a tie.
Me too.
But yeah, guys, if any of y'all are looking for any of these tools, you decide if you want to order them from Amazon or Temu. All the tools have been good so far. The links will be in the description, like I mentioned before. So we're gonna check and see if our glue is already dried in our glue trays, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna check the silicone glue kits. The red ones from Amazon, the blue ones from Temu.
All right, guys, let's see how easy it is for this dried glue to come off. I'm gonna bend it a little, see if it cracks, makes it, look at that, very satisfying. If you like ASMR, this is very satisfying.
Is it coming off pretty easy?
Yeah, I spread it a little too thin. It's kind of chippy, but it came off easy. It's coming off easy. It would have been easier if it was a little thicker.
What about the brush?
Oh, the brush is gonna be even easier because I'm a pro at doing this because I do it all the time for you.
Awesome. Okay.
Let me see.
That looks good. It's coming off pretty easy, guys. Now let's check the Temu tray.
All right.
See how that goes. Ready?
Yep. Oh, yours was...
That was even easier than...
Because you had a thicker patch than I had.
That was even easier than Amazon's.
Well, you had a thicker patch.
Oh, this one's not fully dry yet.
Oh, here you go, babe.
But...
God, it should have been dry by now. It's been...
But it's okay.
hours.
It's all right. It came off easily.
Yep.
Pretty good. All right, guys. So the silicone glue kits, the one from Temu, I give it a win.
And the one from Amazon gets a win as well.
That means...
We're tied.
Yeah, all the Amazon products were wins and all the Temu products were wins. So it's a tie. If you want to save some money, you can go to Temu. If you don't want to order from Temu, you don't like Temu, then go to Amazon. Also,
Another thing to consider is if you're in a hurry and you need it right away, well then you'd probably have to lean on Amazon because that's, if you have Prime, it's 2-day shipping.
Right.
Whereas Temu does take a little longer, but is much cheaper. So it's up to you.
Right. Well, we want to thank you for watching our video. Again, congratulations to Nathan Talbert.
Please get us your address as soon as possible and we'll be able to send out your gift.
Right. Just email us the address, Nathan. Our email address is thebunkersubs@gmail.com. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button.
If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing.
And with all that said, we want to thank you for watching. Y'all take it easy, and remember, exercise your right to bear tools. Over and out.
Peace.